It was just hailing. But can't you see the ice cubes? Yep. The rain is so bad here. Look at that car.
I'm picking up the hail ball.
So bad.
This is the size of the hail. It's not that big, but oh my god.
I remember in Sydney, yeah, like the hail cubes were like this size, was like this big. Whoa!
Do you still think we're in a drought after 1 week of rain?
Yeah, there's so much rain in Cox. I'm
It's
not
been
even
raining
kidding.
all week.
I mean, it's kind of,
It's pretty cool, right?
yeah, look at it over there. Can't you see that?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. That thunder sounded weird, didn't it? It sounded...
Is there still hail?
No. It's only raining now.
But how come I can hear like something like on the roof?
It's rain. It actually feels kind of relaxing out here.
Oh my god. That kind of startled me a bit. Wait, so don't go inside.
Yeah, Victoria,
Well, it's like really bad over there.
if we still had soccer,
But like,
Victoria, if we still had soccer,
Over
I
here
think
it's
it'd
not
be
that bad.
cancelled. Victoria, if we still had soccer, would you think it would be cancelled?
duh. Well, I guess, yeah, the rain is bad. And I think it's dying down a bit.
There's lots of thunder.
Yeah.